he's getting his little welding setup over there, which is pretty neat. So that's pretty interesting. I like it. So doing pretty good. So we're back at it again. We're just gonna get a couple pipes in. It's the day before Valentine's Day, so I'm sure he's busy. So we're gonna try to do the sidebar on both sides, and then across the handbar, and then I'm not sure actually how far we're gonna get, but we just want to knock little by little out, keep you guys updated on the setup. Header bar is on. All right, so now we're doing the upper beam bars. Once we tack those in, we'll do the knee bar or dash bar that goes across from here. So be almost complete. Still a couple more bars that connects to them to make this kind of strong structure. Do that, and then again, the X bars. So let's get in there. All right, today is Sunday. We're just so busy and tired. I had to go yesterday, but just want to give you guys an update on the cage or on the chassis, where it's at. As you see, we did the dash bar. Oh, I'm sorry, dash, knee bar, whichever way you want to call it. These side plate bars, the beam, it's in there. Everything again is still tacked. Still looking at. We did the head bar. So a couple more pieces left. We're not going to do the side X's yet. Probably till the end, because he needs to weld all the inside first, and he doesn't. It's going to be a struggle to get in and out. So next week, or when he has time, we're probably going to start on the rear of the chassis. Still need to get the transmission done to get that done, so we can get that kind of lined up. But that'll be for the ladder bar support. Be bar here. There's also the bar here for the harness bar, and then we'll start doing the back. But she is getting there. Looks kind of funny. So kind of cool though to have this inside the house or in my garage. So short update. I just wanted to give you guys this really quick video. So next video hopefully will be a little longer, more input, but right now this is what's going to be. Just a lot of welding, cutting, fitting. So all right, thanks. Yeah, it's not like that. It's too big. Yeah, something like that. That's long. What is that from? A Super Beetle?
No.
Oh.
66.
Oh, really?
What's that about?
Yeah, on the bottom, yeah. Man, look at this. That steering wheel is old. Look at the bolts on the thing.
The neck, it's so long.
No, but look how many bolts are on the steering wheel.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I like it, believe it or not, if I can find a cat.
Yeah. Cool.